Claude has a feature called Incognito Chat, and it basically works like private session for your conversations. When you open a new chat, you can tap the little ghost in top right corner to switch into the incognito mode. The moment you do this, Claude treats the conversations differently from your normal chats. Nothing you type gets added to your chat history, and nothing from the session is used to personalize future responses. It's temporary space. Once you close it, the entire conversation disappears from your account. This makes Incognito Chat perfect for sensitive questions, brainstorming ideas you don't want logged, or anything you would rather keep separate from your main conversations. It's quick, simple, and it gives you a little extra privacy whenever you need it. So just have to click on Use Incognito, and now you can start typing something you want.